Thank you, Mr.
U
Speaker.
MLA
Sir.
ka VPP na Mawlai
And
uba
through
Bright
you,
Starwell
I would like
marbanyang lakin tu ya
seek
kajing
a
tuklar lem jong
supplementary
Myntri
question
Katnat Public Health
with
Engineering
regards to the
PHE
question that
Marcus
the
and
principal
Marang
question that I've
ban
put
penlong
before
kajing
the
wat
Honorable
benya kat
Minister.
kum kajing start
Thank you,
science
Mr.
ha
Speaker,
ka baya
sir.
debet kita long umdi
And
kibadan
through
hajan
you,
kajaka
I would
berat
like
nyut
to
ha Marten
seek
ya
a
kaba ula ong
supplementary
baki nong shong shnong
question
kila kyar ban
with
pendan
regards to
kam
the
namar kajing
question
sir
that
ya
the
kajing
principal
jabo
question that I've put before the Honorable
Kajaka berat nyut ha Marten
PHE
kala dona du
Minister.
kisnam kat kendai spa lai pau
The principal
bat
question
kinong
that
shong
was
shnong kila
asked is
sange
based
ban
on
letong na kita long
the
ki badan ha kani
Marten
kajaka namar
landfill,
kajing sir kajing jabo ong
where
uba berat hapo ka
I've asked
yengdor
the
bar hak
Minister
ar
concerned
pesau trik
whether any
pang
scientific study
haba jubam
has been
u
conducted
Markus
to
ula
assess
ong
the
bakum ba julong ya
As per
kajing
my
kmi
record,
benya
there
ya
is
kita
no
long
water sources from the
kadai kabla
PHE
le da
department.
Central Ground Water Board
As far as PHE
Hendrai namar
department
ka
is concerned,
jinggentu
we don't
na
have
kalyang
any
udukan
sources there.
ngan sapa ban
But since
penlong ya ka jingwat
honorable
benya
member is
halor kini
insisting
kita
that,
long
I'll
ula
get it
penthikna.
examined, sir.
And through you, I would like to seek a supplementary question with regards to the question that the principal question that I've put before the Honorable PHE Minister. The principal question that was asked is based on the Marten landfill, where I've asked the Minister concerned whether any scientific study has been conducted to assess the extent of groundwater contamination due to leachate from Marten landfill affecting water source in the adjoining areas. And I'm surprised, sir, from the reply of the Honorable Minister, where there has been no scientific study no scientific study has been done as far as the contamination of the water source near Marten landfill. As we are aware, sir, that the Marten landfill, it was there since 1930, and of late, the Marten landfill has reached a capacity where it cannot accommodate any more waste. And I would like to remind each and every one of us here that near the Marten landfill, there are few water sources which the local residents within 3 to 5 kilometer radius, especially during the winter, we used to go and fetch water from these water sources. And of late, what I found out is that the local residents don't go and fetch water from these water sources because they fear. Because we have seen that there has been contamination, there have been leakages from the Marten landfill. So I would like to know from the Honorable Minister whether he will consider to constitute or to conduct a scientific study so as to understand the nature of these water sources near the landfill.
Normally, sir, the groundwater studies are done by the Central Groundwater Board, is the nodal agency for scientific study and assessment and monitoring of ground resources, including contamination in the state, sir. However, sir, as per my record, there is no water sources from the PHE department. As far as PHE department is concerned, we don't have any sources there. But since Honorable Member is insisting that, I'll get it examined, sir.
I would like to thank the Honorable Minister for the reply. Yes, I've mentioned that, yes, it does not belong to the PHE department, but there is a water source where, since time immemorial, as a local resident from that particular area, especially during the winter, we used to go and fetch water from there. It's a big source, water source. So I would like to thank the Honorable Minister. Please kindly take up this matter seriously for the benefit of the local residents in and around the Marten landfill.
Will do, sir. Thank you.